Hi, I'm Rich from NEXO. We're here at PLASA 22 with the great guys from Leisuretec. We're having a look at the GEO M series at the moment, which is three products: GEO M6, GEO M10 and GEO M12, which are all three are line source products, increasing through size from a 6.5 inch driver, 10 inch driver and a 12 inch driver. There are some great similarities between them. All three of them employ some really nice design features, such as the rigging. So if we have a look just inside the cutaway M12, what you can see is an internal skeleton. The cabinet actually, when it's rigged together, hangs on this internal skeleton, so we never put in any weight on the cabinet itself. It's always hanging on this metal skeleton. There's a real range of use cases for these, from installations, live music venues, theatres. We've got loads of production companies using them, rental houses. There is a couple of different versions of the M10 and the M12, depending on what vertical dispersion you need. There's 12 degrees and 25 degrees on the M10. On the M12, there's a version with 10 degrees and there's a version with 20 degrees. The M10 and the M12 share very similar quick release rigging. There's no external parts and pins, it's all quick release. Very easy to rig up, set down with self-locating rigging. All three of these units you can do acoustic predictions with on our NS1 software, and using our NX amp amplifier controllers, you can remote control them with our NEMO software. If you need any further information, feel free to contact the guys at Leisuretec. They'll always help you out. That's it for now.